Mike Shorr, a day trader with Prosper Trading Academy, joins me now, and traders are wrestling with this tough market these days, and that includes you.
That includes me with WWE, the wrestling company. Everybody knows the Hulkster and all that stuff. There's two things that line up for me. One, it's a very good technical setup, but two, it's been in this down market that is basically everything is for sale. You've seen the bloodbaths out there. This has actually done very, very well over this last time period. It's actually up. And that's based on, and so this is, by itself, it's a good setup. There's also rumors floating around there that ESPN is going to start throwing money at them so they have the exclusive rights.
Ooh.
So is that going to happen? When is it going to happen? But even, like I said, even on its own, it's acting like a stock that I would want to trade to the upside. You know, I'm really not looking to sell a whole lot to the downside unless we get some continued momentum. I'm not trying to pick bottoms here or anything like that. So those two things pulling back, if we get back to 49.30, I don't know when it's going to happen. So I'm not going to trade tomorrow's options, maybe next week's options, and then pull back to whatever's at the money. I'm just going to buy it. It's actually a very liquid stock, and then I'm just going to play on support resistance levels.
All right, when he says it's a very liquid stock, that just means that there's a lot of traders in and out of it all day long. So it's kind of easy to maneuver because it's tough to trade when there's not very many people in a trade because you might not be able to get in.
You don't want to be the market.
Ooh, yes.
You want, you know, I always tell everybody in my rooms, we want to be in and out, and they never saw us coming or never saw us leaving, because the last thing that you want to do is be the market, because then everybody knows what you have on, and frankly, we don't have the capital to go up against the big guys and girls.
All right. Well, good to have you here, and thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for being in the ring.
All right.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.